Morning, everybody. This is my favorite neighbor right here, Pileated Woodpecker. Comes here every morning to eat. He's the one that was sorry. He was the one that was observed destroying one of my trees in my yard, but that's okay. Well worth it. These are my other guys. Where are they? Morning, Rocky. Hey, Lovey. There's an Easter egger. Rocky, don't know what he is. And we got his brother over here, Apollo. Hey, Rocky, good morning. Say good morning. Go ahead, do your cock-a-doodle-doo. No? Let's go back to the woodpecker. I love waking up in the morning and watching the birds.